today I'm gonna install these camber bolts, and they go, I'm gonna just do one on each side because it comes as a pair. And if you want to get 2 degrees out of this, you use both, one here and then the other one here. But if you're only gonna use one on each side, you use it on the top one. So this is gonna replace these. And as you can see right here, oh, there, put it down. This is a lobe, like a camshaft. Can't really see it, but you see how one side kind of sticks out more. And then it's flat, and then there's that. Well, that gives you adjustments to push this that way to get negative or positive camber. And then I'm gonna install these. So, you know, take off the wheel, jack it up. I might put the jack right here, lift this up a little bit so it's easier to take this bolt off. But yeah, just loosen these up. I'm gonna loosen up right now. Alright, so I went ahead and put them in, as you can see. And you want that little pointy thing to be pointing inwards towards inside the car. That's how I noticed that you would get the most negative camber. If you want positive camber, then have the lobe and that pointing outside. And yeah, after this, just take it to get it aligned and just tell them, you know, what type of camber degrees you're looking for, positive, negative, and they should be able to adjust it more to what you want. But for just one bolt on each side, that gives you about 1 degree according to the eBay bolts. And to get up to 2 degrees, you need to use both bolts on each side. But I only needed about 1 more negative degree camber, so I only used 1 on each side.